Well, would you look at that? 2020 is almost over, and we're gonna say goodbye in the most appropriate way ever with 21 simplex horn strobes. And got the countdown there. Yeah, check that out. Now, since I can't do mine at exactly midnight, 11 p.m., it's time for a sound off. So, here we go. That is nuts. Alright. This video is really quickly put together, but it is something. So yeah, there it is. Panel just went into trouble. Ooh. Battery cable came out. Well, there it is. I figured the focus. I figured the most appropriate sound off I could have done would have been 21 simplex fire alarm devices. And that's what I did. You can see all the bottom devices there, all these true alerts. Those are all SmartSync, being powered by this SmartSync module. Rest, we got various older simplex devices that you can see up there. It's pretty cool. One thing that I thought was really cool was the two lights, with the rest of them being strobes. And it was all being powered by this thing right here. This is my Simplex 4009 NAC extender. I don't really use this that much, but this was it. So it's pretty great sound off, if you ask me. It was very rushed, but I'm gonna be getting together with some of my friends when it's actually New Year's. So obviously where I am, it's not New Year's yet, but it is 2021 in Eastern time. So yeah. So the way I had this set up is that obviously you saw me pull this, but up at the basement system, I actually took the horn NAC, sneak peek by the way, and ran it down through this wire. And that goes to, man, focus is not working today. There it is. And that goes and trips the alarm input on here. So there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed, actually. So brief reflection now I'm done rambling about this setup. Obviously 2020 wasn't the best year for any of us. It was challenging for me and challenging for many others, but it's also been a good year in a different way. For me specifically, this is the year that my my channel took off. It was the I made some really good friends this year, just, you know, on the internet, you know. And now I'm part of a friend group in the fire alarm community of people around my age. That all happened this year. My channel probably expanded to 50 times its original size. I'm at like 20,000 views now. So, yeah. let's hope and pray that 2021 can hopefully be better, and hopefully we get to normal sometime this year. You know, something resembling the before COVID times and all that. But, yeah, I definitely appreciate all of you watching. If you've made it this far, congratulations. So, that's what I have for you all tonight. So, as always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the Groupme and eBay, or just, the links in my description. Thank you, and have a great night.